everyone, welcome to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today, for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how you can delete your Roblox account. Now to do this process, you will need to do this in a web browser. You cannot delete your Roblox account from the mobile application. So first thing you need to do is open a Google browser, click open new tab. There on the search bar, type in roblox.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page, and here you will need to get logged in first. So provide the details. Below, provide the password. Click on login. Now once you have been logged in into the account of yours, what you need to do is tap on the setting over here on the top right. Click that. Then click on setting. Roblox do not have an option or a link from which you can easily delete your Roblox account. To delete your Roblox account, you will need to delete your membership. So for that process, you scroll down to the very bottom and you need to click on help. Click that. Once you are directed to the help page, you scroll down to the very bottom and here you click on contact us. Click that. It will redirect you to this page. From this page, you need to click on support form over here from the text page. Click that. It will redirect you to the another page where you will need to fill in few information before you delete your account. Here are the contact information that you need to fill up. Type in your name. Below you type in the email address. You need to confirm the email address, so just copy paste it. Now here in the issue detail, what you need to do is first thing you choose the device that you are using currently. And below in the type of help category, you click on the drop down menu and from here you need to choose the billing and payments. As Roblox do not have a easy delete account access, you need to go through the billing and payment method. In the subcategory, you need to choose the option cancel membership. Click that. Once all is done, in the description of issue, you will need to type in few more words. You can just type in, "Hi, I would like to delete my Roblox account." And then you click on submit. Once you do that, you will be submitting a request to delete your account. Roblox will contact you within a few days time period with the further details and requirements. You might need to go through some verification process as well. So this is how you can delete your Roblox account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.